What's up, guys? Mainly Hockey Cards here, and today, 2021-22 SkyBox Metal Universe Hockey released. As you guys know, I love this product. I'm trying to complete the entire PMG set from last season, 200 cards. As you guys know, this is a PMG loaded product with the jambalaya inserts as well, platinum portraits. Really excited. The Cole Caulfield Retro PMG already got pulled. A little bit unfortunate, but let's get into ripping this box. All right, so 7 cards per pack, 15 packs per box. Oh, we'll just open that up real quick. And I'll put this to the side. Let's get started. Pack number 1. Base design this year. Quite nice. I like these a lot. Dahlin, Getzlaf, Seth Jarvis rookie, John Gibson. Flip this over. Josh Bailey, Vasilevsky, and Championship Galaxy, Nikita Kucherov. Nice little insert. I like that. I've seen a bunch of fun rips of this so far, so excited to see what happens. Oh, pack number 2. We have Tyler Bertuzzi, Sebastian Aho, die cut. I think this is Planet Metal. Marcia So, Planet Metal. Ugh. Don't like seeing that. Beautiful card design. Well done, Upper Deck. But Brad Marchand, one of my least favorite players in the entire NHL. All right, Quinn Hughes, DeBrincat, Nico Dawes. That's your retro design, retro rookie, not bad. Get some Philip Gustafsson, Pasternak, Perron, Price, and a Philip Gustafsson rookie. Jordan Eberle. Matthews, Shesterkin. I see retro here. I don't know if that's a PMG. Hughes. Just gonna. No. Tavares, Heiskanen, Ukko-Pekka Luukkonen, 6K. Retro rookie. So far, I like this product a lot. I can definitely see myself breaking more of this. But it's metal. Of course we can see me breaking more of it. Jack Hughes, Philip Deneau. We've got one of these top cheddar inserts, I believe, or the cheddar. Very nice. Nathan McKinnon. I think these are going to be very desirable die cuts. That's a really cool design. I like that a lot. Got a Cider rookie on the back. Ooh. Very cool. Very cool. Cider. Mark Giordano, Parayko, Marchand, Kupari, Ice Carvings. Who is this? This is Johnny Hockey? I think this is Johnny Hockey. Ice Carvings, Johnny Hockey. Really, really nice subset. Actually blows the ice carving subset from the 90s out of the water. As you can see, Johnny Hockey through there. Really cool. I've seen some gold parallels of this come out as well. Some very cool stuff. Is that PMG? It's a different color. Mark Stone. Oh, is this one of these retro ones at 199? I hope not. Carlson, Fiala, Sillinger, and a purple non-PMG of Taylor Radish. That's not bad. It's out of 199, as you can see. It's not bad. It's not great. Really hope that is not the hit of the box, but if it is, still enjoyed ripping it. So we've still got some packs left. Fingers crossed. or something a little bigger than that. Okay. Gibson. Zach Jones. I like Zach Jones. Cole Caulfield. Probably throw that up on eBay right away before the market gets absolutely swamped with them. Clayton Keller, Sean Monahan, another, the Cheddar. It's time of Sebastian Aho. Again, really cool card. Really like that design. Steven Stamkos, Dylan Larkin, Mark Scheifele, Nico Hischier with the jersey. That looks like something maybe. Leon Draisaitl, Marc-Andre Fleury, Lafreniere on the back. I'll flip this. Maybe. Don't know. I don't know. Oh, that's the back. Wade Allison, SkyBox Premium Prospects. Is numbered? It is not. Wade Allison, rookie as well. Come on. Big hit, no whammy. Big hit, no whammy, please. Brady Tkachuk, Ryan O'Reilly, Jake Neighbors, SkyBox Premium Prospects rookie. Dougie Bergevin, Tomasino rookie, Patrick Kane. We're down to 4 packs left. Malkin, Kane, Prospects, David Ferrance, Merzlikins, Pedersen, Ben, and a Perunovic rookie. That looks promising. I don't know what that is. We'll maybe go from this side first. Yeah. Okay. Barkov, Pacioretty, Swayman rookie, Matthews, amped up, Andre Vasilevsky. Kind of a weird finish on this. Kind of a weird finish. 2 packs left. Dubois, Gensel. Ooh, those are cool. Those are cool. I'm excited to see this. Ekman Larson. Is that goalie? Must be Vasilevsky, right? Cole Lind rookie. Vasi. Very cool. Big Men on Ice, I believe. Very cool insert. Is this the same height? I think it's a little bit shorter than your normal card. See that? Or maybe, does the tip go up? No, it's just like, it's a little bit shorter than your normal card. That's kind of weird, actually. Wonder if PSA is going to see that differently. Still, really cool card. Last pack of the box. Please, PMG, please. Or an auto, would be nice. It appears we have another one of these. Kill McCarr, Brand Points, Sidney Crosby, Matthew Tkachuk, and Nick Suzuki. Big Man on Ice. So overall, fun break. Probably rip it again. Not the best box, I don't think, but still quite enjoyable. So if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Peace out.